Hello everybody, good to see you again, or good to be seen again. Lately I have started a new project that is called HSK Vocabulary and How Do You Use It, or How to Use Them. I started with the HSK 1 and 2, and then I'm thinking maybe I should at the same time start HSK 3 as well, to suit learners from different levels. So in this series, there's no HSK 1 or 2 vocabulary, only 300 vocabulary from HSK 3, right? And they are going to be presented in alphabetic order. And every time, every video, I would only explain 5 of them. Okay, now let's take a look. The first one is 阿姨. 阿姨, it's aunt. Officially, it is your mom's sisters. Your daddy's sisters are 姑姑. 姑姑. Also, there's something else I need to talk about 阿姨. You may call a stranger 阿姨. If this woman is in your parents' generation, sort of that old, you may call them. And you may use their surname first, and then 阿姨 as a sort of title, like 李阿姨 or 王阿姨. Anyway, so that is the first one, 阿姨. The second vocabulary is 啊. It's another modal particle again. So what does it do, a modal particle? Yes, if you use it after a statement or anything, it changes the mode, gives a function to this statement. This gives a sort of very strong emotion to the statement, like a exclamation mark. For example, if you say 好, that's good. And if you say 好啊, that's great. If you say 是, that's yes. If you say 是啊, that becomes yeah. Okay? Anything like 我是老师, I'm a teacher. 我是老师啊, I am a teacher. So that's what does to a statement or a question. Right? 你叫什么? What are you called? What's your name? 你叫什么? What are you called really? Okay, see how the emotion of whatever before is being strengthened by So and it's easy to pronounce, just or or if you can do that. If I put 阿姨 and in one sentence, 阿姨呀, like if you see your 阿姨, it's like, oh, 阿姨呀, auntie, right? So that's what you can do, put them together. In case you haven't noticed, that's what I do a lot in these series of videos. I try to put words that have nothing to do with each other together in one sentence, see if it works. And some of the sentences, of course, are a bit awkward, but I think I like that. I think it's a good game, and I would actually encourage you to do that with your vocabulary. It might be fun sometimes as well. Number 3 is 矮, short or low. It could be describing a person, then that's short, and if you use it to describe a thing, like a building, it could be low. So 矮, the opposite of 矮, we all know that, is 高. What can I think of when I see 矮? Short people, 矮人. Short people. Oh, the 7 dwarfs. The 7 dwarfs, they are very, very short. And in Chinese, we use this word to name them. Actually, they are called 7个小矮人. Look at here. 7, measure word, small, short people. That's pretty cute, actually. But if you see a dwarf, is a dwarf politically correct term to call like a midget or dwarf? I'm not sure about that. If I'm making a mistake, please forgive me. I don't mean to do that. But in Chinese, if you see a midget or a dwarf, you cannot call them 小矮人. This is a special name only for the 7 dwarfs. Okay, and there are other names which I don't want to introduce right now. Let's just move on. Anyway, let's try to put 3 words in one sentence. First of all, 阿姨 is short. That's very easy. 阿姨很矮，很矮。阿姨很矮。And we put "" at the end. Now we have 3 words in one sentence. 阿姨很矮啊。Aunt is very short. Wow. Okay, now number 4. See what would happen. Number 4 is 爱好 hobby, or can be used as a verb as well, to like. So you can say 我爱好 blah blah blah. Like 我爱好打篮球 play basketball, or 我的爱好是打篮球 my hobby is to play basketball. Both are okay, right? 爱 is to love, and 好 is not 好 anymore. The pronunciation has been changed into the 4th tone, and the meaning has been changed as well, actually to mean to like. So put 爱 and 好 together, that means hobby or to like. Now, if we try to put them 4 in one sentence, what do we do? I could say a short aunt likes to do something, right? Maybe 矮阿姨爱好啊，矮阿姨爱好打篮球啊。Maybe, I don't know. 矮阿姨 short aunt sounds like a bit of a nickname, so it could work in some contexts. I mean, let's just leave it like that. Then, 矮阿姨爱好打篮球啊。Short aunt loves to play basketball. Right. Now let's move on to the last one. Oh, the last one is 安静 quiet, or peaceful, or silence. As a teacher, I love to use this word to my very noisy students. 安静 That's what I say in class when I want them to be quiet. And or it can be peaceful. It could be a place like 爱尔兰很安静. Ireland is very peaceful. It's actually too peaceful. It's quite boring. But I like it. 安静很安静. You could use this to describe a person, like 阿姨很安静. The aunt is very quiet. Or 矮阿姨很安静. Or you can use 安静 to describe something, like 安静的教室 quiet classroom, or 安静的城市 a quiet city. How do we put all of them in one sentence? First of all, we have 矮阿姨, the short aunt. That's a nickname. Not very polite, but who cares? We just want to put them in one sentence. 矮阿姨爱好 got it. 安静的运动 You can put after anything, really. So, short 阿姨 likes quiet sports as a hobby. Yeah. So, 矮阿姨 short 阿姨 like quiet sports as a hobby. Yeah. We did it. That's a great sentence. Hope you remember that sentence and remember all those 5 vocabulary from HSK 3. Hope you had fun. Thank you very much. See ya.